grounds for this doctrine, Miss Schmidt?
Yes, Your Honor, bad ones. These kids fight our wars. It's an undue burden to compensate them when they're victims of medical malpractice. The soldier in question lost his life because of an avoidable, negligent hospital screw-up.
It's not just the money. Subjecting the military hospitals to discovery.
Oh, come on.
May I finish?
You didn't let me finish. Your Honor, this goes beyond bad faith. We send these kids to war. They come back and our doctors commit malpractice and we tell them, look, you can't sue because of a doctrine that selectively singles out and punishes soldiers.
Well, he was a speech maker.
No, he didn't. At least let me call a witness or two. My client lost his only brother. If he can't have his day in court, at least give him an hour.
All right. I'll allow you to call witnesses as to the legality